Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Can you see the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is your worksheet of exercise number 5A. Worksheet of exercise number 5A. We have to start because we have done our revision of chapter number 8, book 3, chapter number 11 of book 2. Then we have done with the revision of exercise number 7C. That was the graph of the speed time graph. Yesterday only we have done that. So there is only one thing left, that is chapter number 5. Only one thing is left, that is chapter number 5 from your whole syllabus of maths. This is the last chapter, but what we will do, that we will revise all the topics separate, because this chapter 5, many of you are finding that this chapter 5 is difficult. It's not actually difficult, it is just conceptual. If your concepts are clear, you can do the questions very easily. So please focus on the worksheet. Okay, if you want to take the printout of the worksheet, you can do by yourself. Otherwise, you can take the prints later. Can we start now? Yes, boys, can we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today's date is 26th of April 2021. The day is Monday. We have to, this is the worksheet of profit and loss. And this is chapter 5, exercise number 5A. I want to revise the formulas with you first of all. You can see the profit formula. The profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And what is the condition? The condition is when the selling price is greater. When the selling price is greater than the cost price. What is the selling price and what is the cost price? Any one of you? Do you remember the stuff what I explained you in the class?
Principal value and the cost value.
Any one of you?
Selling value.
What is selling value? Let's suppose that you are a producer and you are making any one thing. You can making a pen or anything else at the cost of 10 Saudi Riyal. Okay, but you are selling it. You are selling it for the 12 Saudi Riyal. So what is that condition? In that condition, the selling price is greater than the cost price. So you are gaining profit or you are in loss?
Profit.
Profit. So when the selling price is greater than the cost price, you are in the condition of profit. Then what is the loss? The loss is when the cost price is greater but the selling price is less. Selling price is less and the cost price is more. Let's suppose you have your cost price, you are making any stuff at 10 real and you are selling it at 8 real. So what's going on? Even you are not going to fulfill your cost price, so you are going in loss. So this is the formula for the profit percentage according to the cost price. Profit percentage of cost price, loss percentage of cost price. Then we have done, if thus they are asking in the question that you have to find out the profit or the loss percentage of the selling price, then this is the condition that you have to divide it by selling price. This is the same thing, only cost price is going to change into the selling price. But there is some situations that we have done the questions in the class also, but with a different way. But there is an easy way to find out that. Let's suppose we have this question, the cost price you have to find out. Cost price you have to find out. Okay. And what is given to you? The given to you stuff is only the profit percentage and the selling price. So you can use this formula and find out the answer of the cost price very easily, or the answer of the selling price very easily, if you have these two things with you, selling price and the profit percentage, or the selling price and the loss percentage. So you can find out the cost price easily. Read the first question. Question number 1. Who want to solve question number 1 with me? Yes, boys. Be active. Ahmad Nawaz can. Yes, Ahmad Nawaz. Huzaifa.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
Yes, Ahmad Nawaz has to solve. Ahmad Nawaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ahmad Nawaz, beta. Read the question.
Question 1. A bedsheet was sold for $483, thereby gaining 15%. Find the
Wait,
cost
okay, so
price
what
of
is given to you? What is given to you in the question? I want to ask that.
selling price.
Selling price. Okay, so can we write here the selling price is given, that is $483.
Yes, ma'am.
And gaining mean the profit percentage is given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Profit percentage is given to you, that is 15%. You have to find out
Selling price.
cost price. Cost price of the bed sheet. We don't know the cost price of the bed sheet, only even we don't know the profit. No cost price is given, no profit is given. So what we have to find out? But we have to find out the cost price. So we cannot use this formula to find out the cost price, because even the profit is not given. Profit percentage is only given. So can we go for this formula? We have the profit percentage with us and we have the selling price with us. Yes, Ahmad Nawaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Use the formula, this one. Cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Or you can write same as the gain percentage multiplied by selling price. Yes, what will be the answer? Just substitute the values here. 100 over 100 plus what is the profit percentage? 15 multiplied by 483. Do the calculation and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes,
Ma'am, it is 420.
$420.
Ma'am, $420.
Yes, boys, confirm your answers. Huzaifa? Ahmad Nawaz was solving the question. Ahmad Nawaz, but which answers you are getting better?
$420.
$420. So any problem, students? This is a shortcut way I told you today to simplify this type of questions when two things are missing. Any problem in this question?
No, ma'am.
Can we go for the second question? Huzaifa has to solve question number 2. Yes, Huzaifa? Huzaifa, beta, your mic is working. Ahmad Alam?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmad Alam, solve the question. Read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question first. Quickly, we don't have time, beta. Abdullah Subhan? Abdullah Subhan? Yes, Abdullah, beta, solve the question.
And he purchased 120 pencils
120 pencils.
at the rate of $2 per pencil.
Okay,
He
it
sold
means
them
what is the cost price? Cost price is equal to 120 multiplied by 2,
$240.
$240. Okay, what about the selling price?
He sold 72 of them at the rate of $2.5 per pencil and the remaining at the rate of $2 per pencil.
So total pencils are 120. 72 he sold at the rate of 2.5. How many are left other than 70 if we sold 72?
48.
48. So 48 pencils, remaining pencils at the rate of
$2.
$2. So just calculate the values of both. What is the first value? 72 multiplied by 2.5?
Ma'am, 180.
180. And second value?
96.
What is the selling price? Total selling price? 180
$276.
plus 96. That is
$276.
$276. Yes, boys, we can see here. This is the selling price and the cost price was $240. Cost is less, selling is more. So which condition this is? This is profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit. Yes. So the question is find his profit or loss percentage. So first of all, we will find out the profit, then we will go for the profit percentage.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the formula for the profit?
Selling price minus cost price.
Selling price minus cost price. Yes. Then what will be the answer for this? 276 minus 240. What's the answer for profit?
36. 36.
20.
30.
36. Okay, this is $36. If this is $36, can you quickly find out the profit percentage by using the profit percentage formula?
Ma'am, it is
Profit over
50.
cost price of 100.
This will be profit over cost price multiplied by 100.
Ma'am, 15%.
This is 15%.
Yes.
Yes, boys, please verify your answers. This is 15%.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the
Yes,
final
ma'am.
answer. Here you can see the question was little bit different. How it is different? The cost price was the thing that how the Andy purchased the 120 pencils. At what rate the Andy purchased the 120 pencils. Then the second thing was there. What was the selling price? Selling price is divided in two parts. Sold 72 them at 2.5 and then the remaining at the rate of $2. So 120 minus 72 will be 48. So there will be 72 pencils he sold at the rate of 2.5 and 48 pencils he sold at the rate of 96. The total of them will be 276. Understand?
Yes.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, question number 3, Abdul Rahman has to solve. Question number 3. Yes, Abdul Rahman. He is present or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abdul Rahman, beta. Look at the values.
Okay.
By selling a stool for $240, it means you have selling price with you. That is $240. Then loss
Loss.
percentage,
20%.
20%. How much percent would he gain or loss by selling it for $360?
Yes.
First of all, the question is by selling a stool for $240, a carpenter lost 20%. First of all, we will find out its cost price. That we don't know the cost price. How we can see that he's how much was before and how much at what price he sold that. So can you use this formula for the cost price because we have selling price and the loss percentage?
Yeah, so cost price
Yes, ma'am.
is equals to
100 over 100 minus loss percent multiplied by selling price. Substitute the values.
The cost price is equals to 100 over 100 minus 20% into
Multiplied
240.
by. Okay, do the calculation and tell me the answer of cost price.
Then it is 300 how much?
300. So you can compare with this one. This is 360. This is 300. So cost price is greater or the selling price is greater?
Cost price.
Cost price is this one, 300. Selling price is new selling price is $360.
So ma'am, new selling price.
What is the new selling price? $360.
Yes.
Now you have selling price 360 and cost price is 300. What's going on? He will go in loss for the second time or he will gain?
He will.
Loss.
How loss?
He will gain.
Yeah.
Because by selling a stool at $240, the actual price, the cost price of the stool is 300. He said in the question when he sold the stool at $240, then he lost 20%. That time we don't know the cost price. Actually, the cost price is 300. When if he sold the stool at $240, he is going to lose 20%. But if he is selling at $360, then what's going on?
There is a
Profit. There will be profit. So first of all, find out the profit and then we will go for the profit percentage. Gain also you can write in place of profit. That is, what is the profit formula? Selling price minus cost price. Substitute the values.
360 minus 300. 360 minus 300, 60 answer.
$60. So can you, what we can find out? Percentage of gain or loss?
Gain.
percentage of gain.
Okay, so profit percentage is? Profit over?
100.
Cost price.
Cost price.
Cost price is
When
200.
it is not mentioned that it is the cost price or the selling price, then you can go simply for the cost price. Substitute the values and tell me the final answer, Abdur Rahman.
Profit percent is equals to profit over 60% is equals to 60 over 300 into 100. And can I tell?
Yes,
Number is 20.
this is 20%. Thank you so much, Ahmad Siddiqui. Yes, boys, done with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question 4 is very simple question. That's the easiest way. You have to find out gain or loss percentage. Gain or loss percentage. Values are already given to you. You have cost price, you have selling price. By looking at the selling price and the cost price, can you tell me what's going on? You're going to be
Loss.
you are in the profit or you are in loss?
Loss.
Loss.
We are in loss.
Loss. Selling price is less than cost price.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so this time Daniel will solve the question. Yes, Daniel, easy question. Cost price is 250. Cost price is 250. Selling price is 235. Cost is greater, selling price is less. You are in loss. You have to find out the loss percentage. Do you know, Daniel, what is the formula for the loss percentage and what is the requirement for that? First of all, find out the loss. What's the formula for the loss? Do you know that? Mohammed Daniel. Anyone else who wants to solve this question?
Ma'am, can I do?
Ahmad Alam already done.
Ma'am, can I do?
Ma'am, can I do?
Okay, who said before?
Ma'am, I.
Ahmad Siddiqui? Ahmad Siddiqui gave many answers today. So no.
I'm gonna.
Who is next?
Hassan.
Okay, Hassan, do it.
Ma'am, loss is equals to cost price minus selling price.
Cost price minus selling price. Answer is
Ma'am, 15.
15. What's the formula for the loss percentage?
Loss percentage is equals to loss over cost price into 100.
Loss over cost price multiplied by 100. Substitute the values and tell me the answer. 15
Divided
over
by 250.
250 multiplied by 100.
6.
Answer is
6%.
Answer is 6%. Yes, boys. Did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
We have two more minutes. We can solve one more question. Yes, Ahmed Siddiqui, now you can solve for B part. Cost price and selling price. Cost price is 350. Selling price is 400. What's going on?
Profit.
What is the formula for the profit?
Selling price minus cost price.
Selling price minus cost price. Okay, substitute the values.
50 is answer.
Answer is 50. What's the formula for the profit percentage?
A profit over cost price multiplied by 100.
Because it's nothing is mentioned, we can go for the cost price multiplied by 100. Answer?
I'm getting 14.3.
14.3%. Yes, boys. What's your answer?
Ma'am says.
Same answer? Okay. The next question Ashar has to solve. C part. We have 1 more minute. Ashar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashar, we have cost price. We have profit with us. So we cost price is there, profit is there. You have to find out profit percentage. Only the simple formula. What's the
Yes,
formula
ma'am.
for the profit percentage?
Profit percentage is equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100.
Okay, substitute the values. 75 over
75, 300
Hmm.
multiplied by 100 is equal to 25%.
Answer is 25%. Very good. The last question, selling price. Rehan will solve. Quickly, is Rehan present? No. Anyone else? I just need to know the formula. Selling price is given and loss is given.
So we should find the profit. Cost
First
price.
of all, we will
Loss
find
percentage.
out the loss. Loss is given, that is 132. Selling price is given. So what is the loss formula? Cost price minus selling price?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost price minus selling price. Use this formula and find out the value of the cost price.
Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss.
Loss plus selling price is cost price. How much it will be? 1518 plus 132.
Now it will be 1650.
It will be
1650.
1650. Now you have the value of cost price with you. Can you go for the loss percentage? Loss over cost price multiplied by 100. In this way, you can find out the answer. Yes, 8E. Any problem in this whole exercise, my dear?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So inshallah, tomorrow we will revise the next topic. For today only is this much. I will share the worksheet with you along with